and poultry. Meat comes from animals. Poultry is the name of meat that comes from birds. Examples of meat are beef, lamb, veal, pork, bacon and ham. Examples of poultry are chicken, turkey and duck. Examples of products which are made from meat and poultry are sausages, burgers, rissoles and salami. Offal is the name given to the internal organs of animals. Examples of this are liver, kidney and heart. Nutritional value. Meat and poultry meat are made up of muscle and nutrients. The amount of nutrients varies according to the age of the animal or bird, the part of the animal or bird which is eaten, and the way the animal or bird has been kept and fed. Meat and poultry is made up of water, protein, fat, vitamin A and D, B group of vitamins, iron and water. The protein in meat and poultry is an important source of high biological value, HBV protein. Offal is also an excellent source of HBV protein. The amount of fat in meat and poultry varies. We can see the fat on the meat. It lies beneath the skins found between muscle and fibre. Meat tends to have more fat than poultry. Most of the fat is saturated fats. To lower the fat levels, we do not add extra fat when cooking. We dry fry mince and pour away the fat. We remove skin on chicken. We choose lean varieties and we cut off visible fat. There is some vitamin A and D in meat. The more fat in the meat, the more vitamin A and D there is. Liver, kidney, heart are very good sources of vitamin A and D. Pregnant women are advised not to eat liver during the early stages of pregnancy as it may cause harm to the fetus. Meat and poultry are good sources of B vitamins. Heart and kidneys are excellent sources of vitamin B1. Red meat is an excellent source of iron. Liver is a particularly good source of iron. Chicken contains vitamin B6, B12 and the mineral selenium. Buying meat and poultry. Always buy from a reliable source. Meat and poultry should be a good colour, firm and slightly springy to touch. Always check the use-by date on pre-packed meat and poultry. Poultry produced in the UK is reared in 3 different ways. Indoors, in large numbers, not allowed out, a standard chicken's about 40 days old when it's slaughtered. Free range, where the chicken is kept in large sheds but are allowed outside, these are about 56 days old when they're slaughtered. And organic, where chickens are allowed to roam and are fed on organic food. These are about 80 days old when slaughtered. They are also the most expensive to buy. There are symbols on packaging to show that meat and poultry have met welfare standards, such as the RSPCA welfare label, the animal welfare label, and the Certified Humane Raised and Handled label. Meat and poultry are perishable foods. Poultry is a high-risk food because it contains bacteria, and therefore correct storage is important. If bought in plastic packaging, the wrapping should be removed and the meat or poultry placed on a plate, covered, or in a container with a lid in the refrigerator held below 5 degrees Celsius. Raw meat should be stored at the bottom of the refrigerator. Poultry carries bacteria such as salmonella, which can easily pass from one food to another. Care should be taken that the poultry does not touch other foods in the refrigerator.